Good afternoon, Dave here. I wanted to talk to you all about a situation that's been going on. We haven't felt it that much. To me, it's kind of a little bit funny, but in a way, in the same way, it's also serious. As we all know, and we've been seeing it in the radio and television, on the internet, on your phones, on warnings that that dreaded coronavirus that's going on, that originated from the wet store or the wet market in China, in Wuhan, China. That apparently it might have been some type of virus that came out of a bat and mixed in with a snake and morphed into some type of deadly virus that affects your respiratory system and people with weak immune systems. I would say that it probably is something serious, and I would say that a lot of people have died already, and it's affecting all over the world. It's pretty much a pandemic. I'm here in the United States. I'm here at I'm here at my workplace in Lago Vista, Texas, 15 miles northwest of Austin, Texas, just past the hill country. It's been kind of calm here, but to say the least, I've been going by at least $6 general stores that are located here in the area, and there's no water. There's no water. There's the food is running out. There's no hand sanitizers anymore. There's no toilet paper. I don't know why. I still don't understand why toilet paper is being bought by such a quantity. A lot of sanitation equipment is being pretty much sold away. Now, I went to CVS. They also don't have anything in stock. They have nothing online either, which means that if they have nothing online, we can't order anything online. There's no bottled water. There's no hand sanitizers. There's no toilet paper. And the food is starting to go down. The food supplies are going down. There hasn't been any shipment of any enforcement products to replace it in over a week, which gets me to think that maybe we're coming up to an area of people start to panic. I mean, myself, I'm down to maybe 6 bottles of water. You know, those little 12-ounce bottles. I'm pretty fine as it is. I try to conserve my water. If I'm not thirsty, I don't have to drink it, and I certainly won't throw it away. But it's almost gone. I just need 6 more of these bottles, and it's gone. And whatever's left over is the ice. So I'll probably just munch on the ice to replace it with the actual water. But it's pretty serious now. It was something that I would have thought that it was just, maybe it was just a phase. There isn't any evidence of a coronavirus in this particular area. There has been a few spots in Texas, is what I've seen in the news. Now, I may be wrong because I was watching CNN, and people say CNN is fake news, but I really can't say if it's accurate or not. I don't think this is the end of the world, but this is getting kind of serious, because if I'm up to 6 bottles of water, what what would happen for these families that don't even have water? You know, I'm sure they could probably just drink water out of the faucet, but is that water out of the faucet actually safe? Anyway, this is just my little small take. I'd like to know your thoughts, your opinions, your comments. List them below. Like and subscribe if you want. And today is March the 14th, 2020. This would be a Saturday here in Central Texas. And want you all to be safe out there. Try to keep your hands clean. What I have left, where is it? Let me show you what I have left. I'm not to this. I'm like halfway from this hand sanitizer. So I try to just pour just as little bit as I can just to wash my hands and make sure my hands are clean before I touch my face. But want you all to be safe and stay alive, and make sure that the elderly people or the people that are disabled, you make sure that you try to help them also, because that's what the Lord wants from us. They want us to humble ourselves and help each other out, even through these hard situations in life. These are the trials that would be imposed on you to prove that you are a good person in this life. Doesn't matter how imperfect we are, and we all sin, but the Lord expects us to do our share and try to help those other people that are less fortunate than us. So again, you all have a nice weekend, and be safe out there. And let's get those daily prayers going, because the prayer does work.